Hi guys, it's me, Laura, and today I wanted to show you this beautiful dresser in my daughter's house. It is so cute. It's functional, it is sturdy, and it is just adorable in this space. Let me show you down at this level here. So the drawers are nicely placed. Easy in, easy out. Did you know that the drawers say they'll hold up to 20 pounds? I don't know whose clothes are 20 pounds, but that is a lot of weight. These drawers are so cute. Now this looks like it's a divided drawer, but it's actually one full piece, which makes it aesthetically cute. It's got ample storage in here, so the drawers are nice and thick on the side. It has ample storage on top, so if you are in need of some horizontal storage, this will do the trick. It allows you to put several items up on top of whatever needs to be. The drawers slide with grace, and it just gives this a little color pop. Now, I do love the bottom. I don't know if you could see the legs here. There we go. So the legs are raised up off the ground. Now, I like this because I like to be able to get underneath when I'm sweeping and such, to be able to get any of the dust or dirt or whatever dog hair that's collecting down there. So this makes cleaning such a breeze. And of course it's wood, so all you have to do is dust it and polish it up every once in a while. So if you were in need of a nice ample storage dresser, but it is functional and cute in a room, this definitely is something I would go for.